Drop-down box in system setting. How do we create drop-down box in system setting? First, when you go to system setting in application, you swipe down to the bottom of the left side and see the drop-down box. What do these drop-down box are used for? These drop-down box are useful for you to customize the drop-down field option across the system module. What does that mean? Let's take a look about this form. Sometimes you wanna have a form that you no need to input with manually, but like job category, right? Just click on it and there's already a choice for you to select, right? So this is the drop down box. So like student, right? And then click student. This is the drop down box. So how does it done from here? Let's let's make an example. Let's choose the customer industry. So in customer industry, let's say we got medical, we got manufacturer, we got mm, we got education, right? So after we set the customer industry on here and the option, click submit, then you can when you're doing the workflow from the form design, when you're doing the workflow and then create a new form. After you create a new form, there's a drop down box element on here. You can drag it, place on it, and then click on the option. And instead of inputting the choices here, 1, 2, 3, right? Instead of clicking on here, you can straight up click on the left hand side drop down box configuration and then select the modules that your drop down box is being stored. Like customer industry, where is being stored in customer management side, right? So when here you go, instead of going to user profile, you go to customer management and you find your customer industry and then confirm, save, and then when you preview it, you become a drop-down box area that you already configure at the setting management. Okay, this is the drop-down box that's in the setting. So if your category doesn't exist in the standard version of the drop-down box setting, how do? We can create a new category on here. So maybe like we can create a we can create a student. We can create a visa type. Let's say a visa type. Right. So confirm. Then find you can find that you can you can place like student, then confirm. Okay, student. Then you can add a new sub item. Add the new sub item in the category like visa type. Then click on confirm. And then in this visa type you can create your own option already. Like maybe pending approval or maybe expired. Right. And then click submit. Then at the same step, drag on it, place on it, and you can visa type. and then go to the option, select the drop-down box configure, and then go to student, go to visa type, confirm, and then save it down. And after that, when you go to the preview, you can see that it's already up here. Alright, this is how you done your drop-down configuration setting in the system setting. Although in the drop-down box, there's still other option for you to choose, like customize common data, current data, system data, all of these are, but it's not actually related to the one that is stored in the system setting here. So I will be explain other these of other things in the next video. So separate it from the confusion. All right. Thank you.